Man, this bike lock is so nice. So, you're gonna end up installing this on whatever you're gonna be putting this on. That way you can put this on there and you don't have to carry it. It's definitely got some weight to it. I had originally gotten one for like 11 bucks at Walmart, and that one ain't nothing compared to this one. This baby is heavy duty. I love that there's like this rubber casing around this. The feel of it is really nice and sleek. And there's the keyhole. It comes with 3 keys, which I love. And then the feeling of this is so sleek and smooth. I mean, I just really love all of it. I love the way that it feels. It's so nice. And after all my research, the U ones are the best ones that don't get broken into. Usually the things like this would get cut in easily, and stuff would be stolen from the reviews and other things that I've seen. And then all the other types of bike locks also would end up being broken. This was literally the best one, and I'm going to try not to use this at all unless I absolutely have to. This does seem really heavy duty and thick, but I know something could still cut through it. I'm sure this probably could too, but I know this would be better than this. It comes with a pretty thick manual with a bunch of stuff in there. Added 2 pictures of 2 helpful spots. But other than that, I highly recommend this product. It seems like something anyone with a bike or whatever could really use. This is just way better than some other quality ones that I've seen, and I think it's great. I think that this keychain is pretty thin and not good, so you definitely want a better keychain so it don't break and you don't lose your key. Yep, I recommend. Great product. Thanks.
It's plastic. What's the meaning of putting like this iron on a plastic? There is no sense.